Hello guys, today we're gonna present to you about GPU and how GPU works. So let's Aisha tell you what is GPU actually.
GPU is the short form for Graphic Processing Unit. First of all, we need to know that GPU is not the same as graphic card. GPU is actually the processor in graphic card. GPU is a specialized electronic circuit designed to rapidly manipulate and alter memory to accelerate the creation of image in a frame buffer intended for output to a display device. Their highly parallel structure makes them more efficient than general purpose central processing unit CPU for algorithms that process large blocks of data in parallel.
GPU is used for 2D data as well as for zooming and panning the screen, and also essential for a smooth decoding and rendering of the 3D animation and videos. GPU architecture basically comes with electronic circuit, fans, ports, USB, UGA, HDMI, and graphic card. But how does it work? Since GPUs perform parallel operation on multiple sets of data, they are increasingly used for scientific and AI applications that require repetitive computation. And you know what? GPU does certain type of maths such as floating points, vector, and metric operation. It composed of small triangle defined by x, y, and z coordinates known as vertex. GPU works by rendering scenes in a pipeline from 3D modeling information to screen full of pixels. The triangles 3D modeling are connected to other triangles in creating complex structure. The vertex data is fed into the start of pipeline before processed by the GPU. Then a frame buffer drops out of the other end, ready for sending to the display.
So next, we will learn about the differences between GPU and CPU. But first, let's see the definition of both acronyms. GPU stands for Graphic Processing Unit Processor, while CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. We will differentiate in terms of suitability to be used, density, built-in parallel or serial, and the last one is latency. Next, I will try to explain the differences of GPU versus CPU in a simplest form. The first term that I will try to differentiate is in terms of density. GPU have a high density. Compared to CPU, it have a low compute density. The second term that we will try to differentiate is latency. GPU have a high latency tolerance. It means that GPU will have experience high delay when doing some process. While CPU have a low latency tolerance, it means CPU will experience small delay when doing process. Next, the third term is suitability to be used. GPU suitable to be used in data parallelism. Data parallelism means concurrent execution of the same task on each multiple computing core. While CPU is suitable to be used in task parallelism. Task parallelism means concurrent execution of different tasks on multiple cores. Differences of GPU and CPU in terms of built-in parallel or serial. GPU built for parallel operation, while CPU is optimized for serial operation.
Saya Hanif. Saya Aisyah. Saya Maya. Dan saya Farain Fazlin.